What is time blocking and how can teenagers use it? Imagine having a clear plan for your entire day, where every hour has a purpose. That's what time blocking is all about. It's a way to organize your day by dividing it into chunks or blocks and assigning each one to a specific activity. Instead of just writing a to-do list and hoping you get everything done, you decide exactly when you will do each task. For example, you might set aside 4:30 in the afternoon to 5:30 in the afternoon for homework. Then from 6 o'clock to 7 o'clock, you plan to have dinner. After that, from 7:30 to 8:30, you might go to soccer practice. This turns your schedule into a visual map of your day so you can see what's coming next and stay on track. Why does this work well for teenagers? When you plan your day ahead of time, you avoid wasting time trying to figure out what to do next. It helps you stay focused because you know exactly what's next. It also shows you if you have too many things scheduled, so you can make changes before you feel overwhelmed. Seeing your day laid out helps you understand how much time you really have for homework, hobbies, or relaxing. It makes your day more predictable and less stressful. Getting started with time blocking is simple. Begin by choosing a part of your day, like after school. Pick a few hours and decide what you want to do during that time. Use different colors for different activities to make your schedule easier to read. For example, use blue for homework, green for breaks, and yellow for fun activities. Add short breaks between blocks to give yourself a moment to switch tasks. If you have several similar tasks, like different homework assignments, you can group them into one block instead of planning each one separately. It's important to stick to your schedule as much as possible. When it's time for homework, focus only on homework. When it's break time, take a real break and don't start working again until the next scheduled block. This helps you stay focused and avoid distractions. If something takes longer than expected, don't be afraid to adjust your blocks. Flexibility is key to making time blocking work well. Using time blocking can help you feel more in control of your day. It reduces stress because you know what to expect. It also helps you meet deadlines and balance school, sports, and personal time. If you find it hard to stay organized or often feel overwhelmed, this method can boost your confidence and independence. Over time, you'll get better at estimating how long tasks take, which makes planning even easier. Here are some quick tips for teenagers. Start small by blocking out just a few hours each day. Use a planner, notebook, or digital calendar to create your schedule. Include time for meals, breaks, and fun activities, not just schoolwork. Be ready to change your blocks if needed, especially if a task takes longer or shorter than expected. Remember, don't try to fill every minute. Leave some room for surprises or unexpected plans. Time blocking is a simple yet powerful way to manage your time better. It helps you stay organized, reduces stress, and makes your days more predictable. With a little practice, you'll find it easier to stay on top of everything and enjoy your free time more.